If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. A nice feature of the QuickBooks Desktop Pro program is that when you open it up, you can have reminders appear to tell you if you have transactions to complete, such as paying your bills or depositing funds. If you don't see the reminders window when you open QuickBooks and you would like to, you can enable it by selecting Edit, Preferences from the menu bar. Then select Reminders from the list at the left side of the dialog box, and then click the My Preferences tab at the right side of the dialog box. Check the Show Reminders list when opening a company file checkbox, and then click the OK button to enable that feature. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.